Hello friends. Now in this topic I am going to discuss about the stress. So stress is the continuation of our elasticity chapter. So what is stress? So the definition says that it is the restoring force per unit area. So this is the simple definition. So simple definition of the stress is the restoring force per unit area. And the unit is in CGS dyne per centimeter square and in SI unit it is Newton per meter square. Now stress are also two types. One is normal stress and another is tangential stress. So what is normal stress? Normal stress is if the restoring force acts right angle to the surface. So suppose I am drawing one surface. Suppose this is a surface, and if the restoring force acts right angle to the surface, suppose this is the A, then this is the normal stress. Understood? And what is tangential stress? If it acts parallel to the surface. So same thing. Now this is one more surface, and if it acts parallel to the surface, then we can say this is the normal stress. Okay, tangential stress. So in the normal stress means restoring force acts right angle to the surface. This is the normal stress. Tangential stress says that it is restoring force acts parallel to the surface. So basically it is a restoring force. Okay. So in which direction this restoring force acts depend on this direction. We can say which one is normal stress and which one is tangential stress. So now if I find the formula using this normal stress and tangential stress, it is just like this. Suppose this is, in that case, this is my tangential stress, this is my normal stress, so this may be the resultant. Okay, so this is my F sin theta, F cos theta. So my stress normal is F sin theta. So what is the formula? Force per area. So this is the stress in case of normal stress, and same stress in tangential we can say, because this is parallel, so we can say F cos theta by area. So again I am repeating, what is stress? Stress is the restoring force per unit area. So this concept is basically the continuation of our elasticity chapter. So elasticity means that any object has the tendency to regain its original shape or original shape. So basically same thing, stress is the restoring force per unit area. It tries to regain its original force per unit area. So how much tendency to regain its original force per unit area, we can say this is the stress. So this is the formula for the stress, force per area. These are the unit. The stress are two types. One is normal stress, another is tangential stress. So normal stress means if the restoring force is acting perpendicular to the surface, this is the normal stress. Tangential stress is that if the stress is acting parallel to the surface, we can say this is the tangential stress. So this is the basically the resultant, and this is the formula for this thing, F sin theta by A for the normal stress, F cos theta by A for the tangential stress. I think you understood what is stress and what is normal stress and what is tangential stress. Okay.